Last minute PTE writing tips for 79 plus. Remember, the word limit for summarized written text is 5 to 75 words. The word limit for the essay is 200 to 300 words. You get 10 minutes to write each one sentence summary. You get 20 minutes to write an essay. You may have 3 summaries and 1 essay or 2 summaries and 2 essays in the exam. Learn the essay template well. Write 1 complex sentence in 1 sentence summary. Do not use examples in the summary. Check for the word limit, grammar and spelling errors. Other important questions which can contribute to your writing score are write for dictation and summarize spoken text. Also, drop-down reading fill in the blanks contribute to your writing score. For best PTE results, join www.pteacademic.org. Contact salkade@gmail.com mob +91 to 922 crore 98,67,353. Thank you for watching this video.